Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do a charging test in the Realme X device using the 50 watts work charger which came along with the box of the Realme X2 Pro. So a lot of you guys are asking me whether the Realme X supports the 50 watts supercharged work charger from the Realme X2 Pro with the Realme X device. So in this video, we'll get to know whether it supports or not. So here I got the small chart ready for. I'll be recording the battery percentage for every 15 minutes. So for every 15 minutes, I'll be writing down how much the battery got charged in the Realme X device. So here is the Realme X2 Pro charger. If you want to take a look at the specifications of the charger, you can have a look here. So meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. And if you're having any queries regarding the smartphones, you can WhatsApp me to the number given. And right now, let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch exactly at same time. As you can see, the charging test has been begin right now in the Realme X device. So right now it's 0% completely dead, the device. So for more interesting videos, do check the links in description for the playlist of both the phones. So which I did a lot of comparison and in-depth reviews on both the mobiles. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes of charging the device. So we'll get to know how much the battery got charged here. So as you can see friends, after exactly 15 minutes of charging the Realme X using the 50 watt charger, so let's see the battery percentage, how much it is right now. It's 26% right now it is, as you can see here. So for the first 15 minutes the battery charged by 26%, and again I will be back after 15 minutes. So we'll get to know in the first 30 minutes so how much the battery charged with the Realme X device using the 50 watt charger. So this test we can compare side by side with the actual charging test of the Realme X device. As you can see friends, after charging the Realme X device, the battery reached to the 51% for the first 30 minutes. So using the 50 watts charger from the X2 Pro, so for the first 30 minutes it's charged 51%. So by this time you got a clear idea that the Realme X phone doesn't support the fast charging 50 watts charger, because I recently did the Realme X charging test as well using the default charger. So where for the first 30 minutes it's charged same 51%. If you can see in this video clearly, for the first 30 minutes 51%. So same thing right now for the first 30 minutes 51%. So overall guys, the 50 watts charger, it's not speeding up the charging process in the Realme X device, but I'll still continue the test and let's see how much time it will take to completely charge the Realme X device. So as you can see here friends, after charging the Realme X device for 45 minutes, so let's see the battery percentage, how much it is right now here, 73%. So after charging for 45 minutes using the 50 watt charger from the Realme X2 Pro. So as you can see clearly, the Realme X doesn't support the 50 watt charger from the X2 Pro device. So still I'll be continuing the test and I'll be writing down the time whether it can charge within 60 minutes or not. So as you can see here friends, for the first 1 hour the phone charged to the 86% in the Realme X device using the 50 watts charger from the X2 Pro phone. So again I'll be back after the phone reaches to the 100% of battery backup. So we'll get to know how much time it takes to charge using the 50 watts charger. So finally guys, it took about 1 hour and 25 minutes to fully charge the Realme X device using the 50 watt charger. So overall guys, after this charging test we can conclude that the Realme X phone doesn't support the fast charging apart from the original charging. So this test with the 50 watts work charging which I got along with the Realme X2 Pro device. So this just in comparison whether to check the Realme X supports or not, because a lot of users are asking me to do this kind of charging test in the Realme X device using this Realme X2 Pro charger. So that's guys, is a quick charging test, and for more videos like this subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries regarding the smartphones, do check the links in the description for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about both the smartphones. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.